I'd have found an ugly little bird under the tree in the backyard, and we have a lot of cats in the area, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. It's ugly, isn't it? That's just what I need. It's an ugly bird. The ugly bird, a crazy dog, and a bobcat. That he ate, or it ate, and drank. So we'll see. Hopefully I can turn it loose in a couple weeks. Huh, ugly bird? We've had storms and I've picked up like 6 dead birds in the yard. Most of them have been dove. I don't know yet. I haven't decided what this thing is. Except ugly. I'll call it ugly. Cute ugly.